This message brought to you by the Green Police, protecting and conserving the earth. What is this item? If you guessed power strip, somebody told you the wrong answer. I call it an earth killer, Mother Nature hater. Guys at the station, Captain calls it a power suck. That's a good one. By unplugging these ugly energy leeches when they're not in use, you can reduce your CO2 emission by over 1,000 pounds. I think that's the size of a full-grown elephant. But don't hold me to that. Everything else is true, though. We're the Green Police. We're in the streets February 7th. Consider yourself warned.
This helpful green tip sponsored by Audi.